Hello everyone, welcome back to another video and part 2 of creating the category page. So let's start out with creating this as a 500 pixel instead. That fixes the issue here for the images. You may want to have some different approach to it. You may want to have a different height and width. That's up to you, that's fine. So outside of that, we also forgot to include, like we did in the post resource for the images here, we forgot to make the optimize for WebP. So let's put this onto a new line. And let's replace these images perfect. So now let's see, why is this not working? Did we do this on the wrong category? Did it not get uploaded? Oh, there we go. It just took a little bit longer to go through. So now we have a WebP format. Excellent. So what else do we want in here maybe? Well, I think something that would be quite convenient would be to actually move the carousel to some component, but also only show this if category get media. And then let's create an end if. So now if we go to, for example, Tailwind, as we call Tailwind CSS, let's go in and just see, we have Tailwind with a capital T. So let's make sure that let's first and foremost try to print this out as count, and it's 0. Okay, perfect, that's fine. So in this case, let's actually say where count is greater than 1, and if it is 1, we just want to add in a simple image. And let's just say category get first media URL. So now let's test this out with Tailwind. So let's go in back here. Let's add in a single image. Let's save this. Perfect. And let's just go in here. Perfect, this is now just a single image. And because we don't know the alt text of this, let's just say category meta description. And now we have the ability to not only show the page without image, but also show the page with a single image and with multiple images, which is very convenient, and I think is an important aspect as well, because you may need to not have any images or have more than one image or just have a singular image, and we want to be able to display this correctly on the page in the most appropriate and convenient way. So let's see, what else can we do here? So on top of that, I don't think we need to do much else, because we don't want to display the color to the user, and we don't want to display the slug. We just want to display the text basically, and the meta description is there. And then later on we will display the relevant posts under each individual category and the relevant products under each individual category. We will create a tab-like system where we use flow byte And let's go for the tabs. And maybe something along these lines, for example, where it says posts and products. Or maybe decide, I mean, it's up to you how you want to do it. But for now, that's how we want to do it. So we want to just leave it as it is. The only other thing I can think of that we also want to do is actually to go into the post page for the individual blog post. In here, we want to link to the category. So let's say root category.show, and then there's a category slug. Let's test this out. Perfect, that works. And let's also create that component for the carousel. PHP artisan make component, and let's just call this gallery. And now let's go in here and take the categories, and let's add this into the category, into the carousel component. And then in here, we want to just have X gallery. Obviously this will break if we go to the Laravel page because it doesn't know the undefined variable category. So how can we get the media here? So instead of having the model, let's just say media, and then let's go to the gallery.php. In here, let's take in a public media. This should be an array. And then let's pass in media. And then let's say category get media. And we got a small error here, so let's go into category. Where's the issue? Unexpected token here, so do we need to? Oh, so let me just see. So we have category passed through here. We're closing it. And the issue is, of course, that we don't pass through like that. We need to obviously just pass it through as it was the variable. And then obviously this will give another error, but we're getting this because this is actually an object, I believe. So let's just leave this like it is. Let's go back in and in this case maybe remove this here. And there you go. Now we have a carousel that is its own component. We have the ability to reuse this for multiple areas. So whether this is going to be in a product model or other aspects, we can use this reusable gallery here. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe button, and also if you want to support me on Patreon, you can do that, or you can buy me a coffee as well.